AI coding agents are fast, but left alone they take the shortest path. They skip the spec, skip the tests, skip the security review, and hand you code that looks right and quietly is not. Adi Osmani, an engineering leader on the Google Chrome team, built an open source fix for exactly this, and it has already crossed 51,000 stars on GitHub. It is called Agent Skills, and it teaches your agent to work like a senior engineer, not by giving it more knowledge, but by giving it discipline. In the next few minutes, I will show you how it is built, how you install it, and the one design idea that makes it genuinely different from every prompt cheat sheet you have seen. Here is the project on GitHub. Agent Skills is a collection of production-grade engineering workflows, packaged so that AI agents follow them on every build. It is MIT licensed, completely free, and the README sums up the whole idea in one line. Skills encode the workflows, quality gates, and best practices that senior engineers actually use. Let's frame the scale. The pack ships 23 distinct engineering skills and 7 commands that map to the development lifecycle. It is on version 0.6.1, it is MIT licensed, so you can fork and adapt it freely. And with more than 51,000 stars, it is one of the fastest growing agent skill collections out there. So why does this matter? Think about how an agent behaves by default. You ask for a feature, and it writes the feature, usually jumping straight to implementation. No spec to clarify what you actually wanted. No failing tests to prove the code works. No pass over security or the edge cases. The result looks plausible, and that is the dangerous part, because plausible and correct are not the same thing. Agent Skills wraps the agent in the same discipline a senior engineer brings. Clarify first, test as you go, review before you ship, and prove every claim with evidence. A senior engineer does not skip these steps because they are slow. They do them because skipping them is how production incidents are born. This pack bakes that hard-won instinct directly into the agent, so the shortcuts simply are not available anymore. Getting it running is genuinely 2 lines. Inside Claude Code, you add Adi's marketplace, then install the plugin. That is it. You instantly get all 23 skills, the 7 commands, and 3 specialist agents. Prefer a different setup? You can clone the repo and point Claude Code at the folder directly, or install the very same skills into Gemini CLI, because the workflows are just Markdown. The skills are organized to cover the entire software lifecycle, not just the fun part. You start in Define, where skills like spec-driven development and Interview Me pull the real requirements out of you. Then Plan breaks the work into small, atomic tasks. Build is where test-driven development and incremental implementation live. Verify handles browser testing and debugging. Review covers code quality, security hardening, and performance. And Ship takes you through Git workflow, continuous integration, and the actual launch. Every phase has a skill, so the agent never quietly skips one. What I like here is that the structure mirrors how a real team operates. The hard problems in software are rarely the typing. They are knowing what to build, breaking it down sensibly, and not breaking everything else when you ship. Agent Skills puts a guardrail on each of those stages instead of just the coding in the middle. And here's the clever part: what a single skill actually looks like. Every skill is just a markdown file with a fixed shape. Front matter names the skill and, crucially, describes when to use it, so the agent activates it automatically at the right moment. Then there is an overview, the step-by-step process, and 2 sections that make this pack special. A rationalizations table lists the excuses an agent might use to skip a step, with a rebuttal for each, and a verification section demands evidence, the failing test, and then the passing run, before the work is allowed to count as done. Because it is plain Markdown, you can read every skill, edit it, and write your own in minutes. There is no framework to learn, and no black box. It is just clear, structured instructions, which is exactly why it works across so many different agents. This is the real insight behind the project. Most prompt libraries are prose, paragraphs of advice the model reads and then ignores the moment it is under pressure. Agent Skills is process. When the agent thinks, I will just add tests later, the rationalizations table is right there with the rebuttal. Later never comes, test first. Verification is treated as non-negotiable, never seems right, always show the evidence. Skills activate themselves based on what you are doing, so designing an API pulls in the interface design skill on its own. And if you want to go hands-off, /build auto will generate a plan and implement every task in one pass, with test-driven verification on each one. The genius is that the constraints live inside the workflow the agent is already following, not in a separate document it has to remember to consult. Discipline that you have to opt into gets skipped. Discipline that is woven into the steps gets followed by default, and that is the whole bet this project makes. Here's what it feels like in practice. You point/spec at a feature, and it writes out goals, constraints, and acceptance criteria before touching code. /plan turns that into a handful of small, independently testable tasks. And /build auto-walks the whole list, writing a failing test, making it pass, and checking the quality gates on every single task until the feature is built and every gate is green. You stay in control, but the discipline is automatic. And you are not locked into one tool, because the skills are plain markdown and instruction files. They work with Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, GitHub Copilot, and more. The pack also ships 3 specialist personas: a code reviewer that judges changes across 5 dimensions: correctness, readability, architecture, security, and performance, plus a dedicated security auditor and a test engineer. Underneath it all are battle-tested ideas borrowed from software engineering at Google, things like high Rum's law and trunk-based development, turned into process your agent can actually follow. So this is not one person's opinion about how to code. It is the distilled practice of one of the largest engineering organizations on Earth, repackaged into something your agent reads and obeys on every task. Addy frames the whole project in one line that I think nails it. Skills encode the workflows, quality gates, and best practices that senior engineers use when building software. That is the difference between an agent that just writes code and an agent that actually engineers it. Agent Skills is free, MIT licensed, and a 2-line install away. If you want your agent to write code like a senior engineer, it is worth a try. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more deep dives into the tools shaping AI.